Olympiad question. So how to do about this? We can write x to the power x is equal to 3x to the power 10 divided by 3, right? So this 3 will come down. So what will happen is x to the power x is equal to 3x to the power 10 into 3 to the power minus 1, which will become 3x to the power plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to x to the power x is equal to 3 x to the power plus 9. Okay, now let's take x to the power on one side. So we will write this as x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x, and this can be written as a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. So I can write 3 to the power x and 3 to the power 9. So this is how I can write it. So what will happen is we'll take x together. So what will happen is x to the power x is equal to 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 9. Okay, so this becomes x by 3 to the power x, because x is a power, so I just put it like this, and 3 to the power 9. And this is where the trick apply. Okay, so trick is we have to convert this equation in a to the power m is equal to a to the power a to the power a and b to the power b. If that situation we can bring here, then a will be equal to b. This is one of the algebraic equation. Okay, so we have to convert a to the power a and b to the power b. In that case, a will become to b. Okay, both the power will be equal. Let's do how to do that. So only way to do is x by 3 upon 9x on both the side. Okay, so this will become your what will happen here. Just think about it, because so let's do this way. Okay, so this equation will be, we can rewrite like this, or we can say that x by 3 to the power x is equal to 3 of 9. Okay, this can be written as x power 3 upon x. I would say 3 to the power 3 to the power 1 upon 3. I'm taking a cube on both the sides. So what will happen here? This can be written as, why I'm saying I wanted to make this and this as the same, that's why I did it here. So this becomes 3 to the power 3. So this is also same, 3 to the power 3, 1 upon x upon 3 to the power x by 3. So you can see that this whole thing has become in this form. Okay, so we can write a is equal to b. So let me rewrite here. X to the power 3 divided by x by 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3. You can see this is coming a to the power a, So this is, if you say a, so a to the power a and b to the power b. So it means x by 3 is equal to 3. Power will be equal, right? So x is equal to 9. So this is the solution. So we can ignore this step. This is not needed. Okay, we can ignore this step. I was thinking to do it a different way, but I think this is the simplest way. So this is the value of x. Thank you very much.